To Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. You know, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you better to apologize Rodrigo Duterte. He's very old. You know, Mark Cruz, I'm just gonna say to you, when you say a bad words over at Tatay Digong, when you curse bad words F word, can you just stop saying bad words F? What did you say to Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte? Fuck, oh. Why did you say that word, Mark Cruz? Where did you get those words from your mouth? You know, it is really an insult to our former president. Hmm. When are you gonna stop insulting the president of the Philippines that he doesn't do anything? Oh, he was detained in The Hague and he was imprisoned in The Hague. And then what are you saying to Rodrigo Duterte? F word? What did you say that person that you say F word, that old person? Oh my God, Mark Cruz. I'm just gonna say to you, you're going to be busted. If Sara Duterte become president of the Philippines, you better to be hide. You better to be hidden. In the matter in fact, when you say a bad words, kahit minura mo pa si Tatay Digong, magagalit ang ibang tao sa iyo. Oh, they are angry at you. Because you know, Mark Cruz, when you say a bad words, that is a cyberbullying. Oh, first of all, after you bullying Juan Carlo Pabale, after you bullying Ryan Chris Lucero, next you bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that he's busy in the work. You bully Gerald Atienza. You bully me. You bully my former friend, Dan Mardayaw. What is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? What is the problem that me and Danmar, we are close friends? He invited me in a Zoom meeting in Enhanced Inclusion Philippines during pandemic. When I was talking with Cedric and Ronald Rebena, oh, this is why Ronald Rebena distrusted you, Mark Cruz, because you are a bully. Everyone out there, they're calling you bully. You're just like Kuya Kopio. Mark Cruz, I say again, you're just like Kuya Kopio. There is another Kuya Kopio of San Pedro, Laguna. His name is Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. And he calls me a loser. Is this what the guy he talking about? Loser? You know, Mark Cruz, you should be ashamed of yourself. If you try to curse if you try to curse Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, Mark Cruz, there is karma. It's not the Lord will handle it. It's the karma is will handle it. Like I said again, Mark Cruz, dahil kasi sinupalpal ka pala ni Danmar. Oh, sinupalpal ka pala ni ni Kuya Park Official. You know, Mark Cruz, I am saying to you, when you say a bad words in social media, there's a possible chance that you will be unfollow you or block you in Instagram, including Ryan Chris Lucero, Juan Carlo Pabale, oh, who else? Ronald Rebena, Rafa Soco, o Kuya Rodelio Daguman, o even Nigel Ernesto Diberia, Trisha Pong, oh, they're going to block you. You know, Trisha Pong is a friend of Shania Kiana, oh. Because you know, Mark Cruz, Shania Kiana is complaining at you. She said to you, delete that post against Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. If Rodrigo Duterte had say a bad words, oh, if he say bad words to Rodrigo Duterte, what will be happen to him? He's our president of the Philippines, and then you curse him a bad words. For me, Marcos, I've never, for me when I call Noynoy Aquino a corrupt, would I curse Noynoy with the bad words? Oh no. I always respect Noynoy because he's the uncle of Joshua Aquino, the son of Chris Aquino. Oh, and that was the uncle of Bimbi. Because I know when I say the past of Noynoy Aquino, I remember Tanimbala. I remember what is that? The incident, Mama Sapano incident, that killing thousands of the police officers during the counter-terrorism operation to kill Marwan, Zulkifli Adhir. That is really happened. Even in Naiya Terminal Airport, there is Tanimbala. Oh, that was the past 2015 when there is Aldab. Before the 2016 election, there was an Aldab. Oh, at least I never criticized Noynoy. Oh, because I know Noynoy Aquino, it was uncle of Joshua and Bimbi. Oh, at least Bimbi was older than Shania Kiana. Oh, Josh Aquino was older than Kenji Mantaring and Mark Domingo Cruz in 1995. Oh, he's older than you. I am telling you, in my YouTube blog, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you better to stop cursing Rodrigo Duterte. Have mercy to that old man. Have mercy to that person that he sacrificed that war on drugs. He fight against terrorism. We discussed that in current events with Teacher May about Marawi siege. He kills the Abu Sayyaf leaders. During the drug war of Rodrigo Duterte, millions of drug addicts have been killed during the operation and the police operation, anti-narcotic operation. And even war on drugs, hundreds of pickpocketing and robbery and rapists, they were killed by Tokang. Oh, everyone to be safe, Mark Cruz. Look at in Davao City is safe. If you go there in Singapore, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you see in Singapore, I was told by Terra Francisco, discipline. You see in Japan, that your favorite place, discipline. Oh, no pickpocketing, no drug trafficking. You see in the people in Japan, discipline. You see Mark Cruz. Oh, you don't have good manners and right conduct. Oh, who written the law of good manners and right conduct during the time? Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, like me, I'm also blessing to, for example, Nanay Ningning. Oh, I showing good manners. Oh, even Mommy Ellen, I always bless with her. Oh, at least Mommy Ellen, she's not a Marcos loyalist. She is a Duterte supporter. Oh, she joining with Kuya Park official. At least Mommy Ellen Olea, she's not Marcos loyalist. She read that in the Civica in book when we lesson that from Teacher May. Oh, the kasaysayan ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Oh, At least Mami Ellen is really an anti-Marcos. Oh, she's a pro-Duterte. Oh, would you ever curse the Duterte supporters, Mark Cruz? Yeah, you are a Marcos loyalist, Mark Cruz. You are same as Marcos Sr. and Marcos Jr. Both of them are bad influence, just like Mark Cruz and Kuya Copio. Oh, and you're allied with Paulo Cruzada, you're allied with Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, Jima Casandil, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Did you ally with them, Mark Cruz? You don't have show a respect. Even you allied with Carl Vilus, you allied with somebody or anybody else. I say again, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, everybody will never like you. Oh, this is hard to say. I say to the mother of Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, even his brother anyway. Both of you never discipline your eldest son, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, because he's playing such an you know he played GTA 5, and then what else that he said it before. He says bad words when you watch the movie from Team America, World Police, and he says about fuck word. Where did you get that word, Mark Cruz? You know, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. I say to you, there will be karma. Everybody will hate you. Because Shania Kiana is very angry at you, Mark Cruz. Oh, how would you know that Sam Rascal is your crush? How would you know that you want to go to Eat Bulaga? Eat Bulaga, they don't like negatives. They don't like bad words. Oh, for example, Eat Bulaga is just like my old school, CDIFI. Oh, they don't want to say bad words. Oh, because they don't like bad words. Showtime, I remember, they don't like bad words. Oh, because it's prohibited. Because it's a presidential degree in 1986. Oh, in the movie television um, review classification broadcast, o MTRCB, I remember. Oh, Mark Cruz, when you gonna say your bad words anyway? If you were watching It Bulaga, the Dabber Cats, they don't really like you. Even the singing queens, they didn't like you too. Because you're such a loser. And you're telling a lie. That Christian Mengito knows Mika Lim and Bini. Are you nuts, Mark Cruz? Christian Mengito doesn't know Bini. He's not interested in Bini. Oh. He's not interested. Oh. How would you come? You will join It Bulaga, Mark Cruz. Your attitude is bad influence. And you're saying bad words. You're not allowed to join in It Bulaga, Mark Cruz. You're not allowed. Because you're a bad influence. People there are saying to you, bad influence. Me, when I was in CDIF, I was scolded by Teacher May. Oh, I apologize to Prince Gan that I say a bad words. Oh, Teacher May asked me, oh, if you're watching this, to the parents of Mark Cruz, if you don't want to say my viewers in my YouTube video, she's telling me, don't do that again to Prince Gan. You have to be mm, responsible how to use cell phone. And then you, Mark Cruz, you curses Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. You know, I'm just saying to the parents of Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, even the brother, even the sister of Mark Cruz, I want to tell you, to all of you, how would you able to raise that your eldest brother? How would you able to raise to this eldest son is a bad influence? How would you ever raise that person that is not doing such things that he talking about? Like, I'm just gonna say, inaano ka ba ng mga Duterte, Mark Cruz? Ah, I want to tell you. And I say again, nothing, wala. You are manipulating the Duterte administration that he doesn't do anything. You don't give a shame to your parents. You don't really give a shame to the people out there. All right. Oh, okay. Let's continue my vlog. At least I put all the diecast cars. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about, Mark Cruz, in my YouTube video, huh? How would you raise your son to say a bad word? You're so much harsh, Mark Cruz. Like I'm telling ya, J. Rick Silva had said to me, someday you will have no friends. As I remember from Teacher Lendel, oh, you will have no friends. She said to me, oh, that is what you realize, Mark Cruz. Oh, you will have no friends. You will have no credibility when you say a bad word. Even to Larry Chuanico, oh, my arch enemy. Even Paulo Cruzada, Gene Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, G. Macasandil, and even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, all of you have no credibility. Even Paulo Cruzada, oh. And this, Larry Chuanico, you know, Larry Chuanico, I will never forget for what you did to me, and you do a dirty finger. And I will never forgive all of you. All of you are my enemies, but not Franco Morales.